Hi again, it's Adam with Eau Gallie Electric. I'm here to answer frequently asked question number 64, and that is, what is the process of a generator installation? So a generator installation happens in 3 visits. First visit, we'll come out and we'll install the Generac whole house generator along with the transfer switch. That installation takes place in about a day. The next visit you get will be from that fuel company. It depends if it's natural gas or propane, but that process takes between 4 hours to 8 hours depending on the fuel source. Then the next visit will be from us for a startup. At that time, we will show you how the generator works. We will show you everything you need to know to use that generator and for it to function well for you, and give you any information on a maintenance agreement that we can provide for you. So there you have it. There's the answer to frequently asked question number 64. Don't forget to like and subscribe.